In this video, I will show you how to turn on spell check on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, what you want to do is open up Google Chrome, and once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and on this menu, you just want to scroll down a bit and then click onto settings. Now, once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto languages. And in here, you're going to see a section about spell check. You can see mine's currently turned off. What we can do is just go ahead, turn the switch on, and that's going to enable spell check. And what you can then do is use spell check for, and of course, select your language from here. You can also enable an enhanced spell check if you want to, or just keep a basic spell check. That is how to turn on spell check in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.